Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, this Crypto Dad. In today's video, I'll be showing us how to stake your cryptocurrency and earn more cryptocurrency. So if you do participate in the Binance Crypto World activity and you also participate in the Binance Learn and Earn event, so you should be receiving free cryptocurrency. I'll be showing us the best way to earn more token. The best way to earn more token is by you staking your cryptocurrency. So when you participate in any activity on Binance and you receive free cryptocurrency, so what you just need to do is you have to go ahead to stake it. If you found out the what you were being given is a little amount, so you just have to go over to stake it. So I'll be taking us through that right now. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and also turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. So guys, I'll be taking us through the staking and the locking plan right now. When I scroll up, I'll be seeing this BTTC. So I'm currently staking this cryptocurrency. I'm currently staking this. When I participated in the Binance Learn and Earn activity, I was given the BTTC, the lock staking plan. So I'll be receiving 42,000 worth of the token every day for 150 days. So for you to stake any cryptocurrency, you just have to come out to your Binance. And if you've not registered on Binance, I'll be dropping the link to register in this video description. And you also need to complete your KYC verification when you are registering. When you are registering, there's an easy method for you to complete your KYC verification. That is by making use of your BVN for Nigerians. You can also make use of your national ID card, so I'll just be taking us through that right now. We have to come out to our wallet. After we come out to Binance, we have to come out to our wallet. Then you have to go over to this earnings. You have to come out to this earning. So just click on that. So when I click on that, I'll be seeing a particular staking I'm presently ongoing. There's the BTCC locked staking. I'm presently staking this amount of BTCC token right now. I'm staking about 1.5 million worth of the coin for the first plan, and I'm also staking 500,000 worth of the coin. For way to stake, I just come out to this search for coin, so we can just click on this search for coin. When you come out to this searching, you'll be seeing a lot of cryptocurrency and the particular APL you'll be earning. So we have the lock BTTC, we have different cryptocurrency here, so you can just go ahead to select the one you want to lock. And just be scrolling down, we can also search for the one you want to lock. So let's say I want to lock burger. I'm having burger. So I see burger from Binance Learn and Earn activity. I'll just click on this burger. I'll be waiting for it to load. So you'll be seeing the duration that is available. You'll also be seeing 30 days. 30 days is also available, but this 60 days is not available. So you can just go ahead to select the duration you want to go for. So let's say I want to go for 90 days. I'll just select 90 days. Then I'll be asked to enter the amount. I'll be seeing the minimum amount here, which is 0.1 worth of burger. I'll be seeing the available burger. So I'll just click on this maximum. I will enter the amount. So I want to stake the 0.48 worth of the burger I'm having. When we scroll down, we'll be seeing this APL. That is the interest we'll be getting every day. So you'll be seeing it here. You'll also be seeing this APL does not mean the actual predicted returns in fiat cryptocurrency. So after you've selected the duration, what you just need to do is you have to scroll down. Then you have to click on this. I have read and agreed to Binance Apple and service agreement. We just have to click on this confirm. So I've already subscribed to this staking. I've subscribed for a 90 days staking, and this is the amount I stake. I stake 0.48 worth of burger. I'm presently staking this right now, so I'll just go back to wallet. I'm just going to refresh this page. So I'll be seeing it here. It has been added. It's already locked, so I can't make any transaction on this cryptocurrency. I'll be able to make transaction after the 90 days has been completed. You can also go ahead to stake another cryptocurrency. I just click on this search coin. You can go ahead to select the coin you want to stake. So we'll be seeing this protected and the high yield. If you want to make staking for this high yield, you have to stake the amount you can afford to risk. I'll click on this protected. I'll go ahead to select the one I want to stake. So I want to stake I token. I'll just click on I. You'll be seeing the minimum staking amount here, and you can go ahead to select the days. So I can just click on this 60 days. 60 days is still available. I'll click on this maximum. Then I'll be seeing the particular earnings I'll be getting. So this is the APL percent I'll be getting. I just have to agree the terms and conditions. I'll click on this confirm. I've successfully subscribed to this. I'll go back, go to simple earning. So I can still go ahead to make my staking. I want to make a staking of this. So when we scroll down, we'll be seeing this SKO as the APL percent here. So we'll be seeing to type here. So this is for the 90 days and this for the 30 days. I'm just going to select the one you want to make. So let's want to make for the 90 days. So the 90 days is still available. I'll just enter the amount. The minimum amount is this. I'll click on this maximum. I'll scroll down, click on this. I have agreed. Then I'll confirm the subscription. So on this particular side, you'll be seeing this auto subscribe. So after staking have already end for 90 days, if you still want to stake, you're just going to click on this auto subscribe. So after you subscribe for the first 90 days, so you still continue to subscribe more for 90 days, so you stop the auto subscribe. So I'll just scroll down, I'll click on this confirm. Okay, I've subscribed, I'll go back. Okay, so let me make my last staking. So let's want to make a staking of this LPT token. I'll just click on this. Okay, 60 days is still available, but 90 days has been sold out. I'll just select 60 days. I've selected 60 days. You'll be seeing your available balance here, and you'll be seeing the minimum amount here. So we just have to click on this maximum. I'll click on this maximum. I want to stake all the amounts here. Then I'll just scroll down. I'll click on this. I have read and agreed. I'll click on this confirm. You'll also be seeing the API you'll be getting here, so you can just go through all this. I'll be waiting for this to load. All my staking has been completed. I've already staked the LPG token, I've staked the SKO token, I've also staked the I token, the burger token. I've already staked all this coin. I'll just be waiting for the staking to be completed. Immediately the staking gets to the duration, so it's going to stop immediately. It's going to continue only if I click on the auto subscribe, but the subscription will continue if I click on the auto subscribe. So but I didn't select the auto subscribe, so what we are doing is we are staking the particular amount we receive from the Binance crypto world and also the learn and earn activity. So we are staking to earn more cryptocurrency. Every day we'll be seeing the cumulative interest we'll be getting every day. You can just come over to this end to check the interest you got. So guys, thanks for watching this video and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day guys.